Hello and welcome to another episode about colorful finance. In this video we will teach you about the basics of email marketing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you liked our content. Now let's move on to the video. Email marketing. Email newsletters are a marketing strategy that companies can use to market their products, communicate with customers, and incentivize loyalty. They're simple to set up and provide countless ways for your company to grow. It's important to use both strategies to blend your content marketing strategy, whether you are a soft sell to educate your audience on the value of your brand or keep them engaged between purchases. Email marketing is a wonderful way to grow and promote your brand. With videos like this you can learn about the best ways to send promotional emails. Here are some tips for you if you want to start an email marketing campaign. So what is email marketing? Email marketing is an awesome marketing channel that directly reaches customers and offers a digital approach to advertising campaigns. It can help keep your clients up to date on what you have going on and remind them about certain products or offers. Various email campaigns can help you build relationships with your customers and between sales, making them a pivotal part of your marketing strategy. But before we start explaining about email marketing, the question is, how did it all begin? More and more people started joining the internet in the 90s, which changed how people communicated with each other. Marketers quickly discovered that email marketing was an easy way to promote products and services to a large audience, so the emergence of marketing emails drove many new laws. Like the UK's Data Protection Act, which requires companies to give people the option to opt out or unsubscribe from all marketing emails. Today, we're bombarded with notifications from every internet-connected app that we have installed on our phone or personal computer. As a result, the law requires companies to give people the option to opt out from all marketing emails. How does email marketing work? Getting started with email marketing can seem daunting. But it doesn't need to be. Read on to find a breakdown of each step. Your email marketing won't be as effective if you don't have a list of subscribers. The other thing to remember is that you need people on your list who are interested in the topic of your lesson. That's why it's important to stop sending emails to inactive leads, in order to grow your email list and stay in touch with your target audience. Then you use our highly sophisticated targeting capabilities. It becomes possible to show your advertisement to highly relevant prospects at the right time. As a result, you can enjoy faster growth in your prospect list and see huge increases in the conversion rates of your campaigns. Check out the list of email services providers to find one that suits you best. A good email service provider should integrate with all of your other marketing tools so you can automate everything and focus on the most efficient things, like turning your leads into customers. As a small business owner, you need to manage your time efficiently. Too many emails can be overwhelming. So an email service provider that enables you to do everything on one platform will save you hours in the long run. Their customer service is an essential part of the success of your campaign. If your customers are happy, they will refer their friends and tell their family about your business. In a digital age where you're only as strong as your customer service, it's essential to have an exceptional customer experience. The best email service providers offer a variety of features that make it easy for customers to interact with them and get the help they need in ways they're most likely used to. There are so many email service providers out there, and figuring out the best one for you can be tough. You need to do some research about the best service provider and figure it out yourself. You can try out some providers until you find the one that works best. The quickest and easiest way to find a good email service provider is by searching Google to see how many other people are doing with their email service provider. This will help you figure out if you want to go for the cheap one or the expensive one. If you are using your email service provider for storage, make sure it has some security features. After you finalized your list, refine the content you create and set up automation to make the email process easier. You'll be able to reach a wider audience and establish a better connection by optimizing your messages. Before you send, create a list of your best prospects. Now that you've segmented the list, It's time to create your first email content. You'll need someone with whom to brainstorm ideas, which is why it's important to have a solid list of prospects in mind while you're writing. It doesn't matter if they're already set. Advantages of email marketing. Email marketing has become a popular technique for companies because it forces the reader to take some kind of action, whether to read, reply, or delete. But it's also one of the cheapest options available. Also, our personal experience found that email marketing has a 38x ROI average over time. Email marketing can help you build a relationship with your audience and also drive traffic to your blog, social media, or anywhere else you'd like users to visit. You can also segment your emails and target those of interest according to their demographics so that information is more personalized. You can also test email subject lines and call to action buttons with email marketing. Using a service that enables you to send out emails and quickly see which messages are most effective. Tips for building your email marketing list. Some businesses are naturally born with an audience ready to receive their emails and purchases. The practicality of these business models isn't a given and has to do with a successful execution of marketing details. Don't buy email lists. It's often prohibited by email marketing companies to send emails to purchased lists, as they collect potential recipients on a permission-based basis, meaning that people have specifically given you permission to contact them in the future. Encourage people who are interested in your content to opt in and subscribe to your updates instead. You can create a custom form that offers a discount on new orders or maybe offer free shipping or a chance to win prizes. Be sure to follow the regulations of your country's anti-spam law. Especially when sending email newsletters, there are many legal guidelines one should abide by. If you allow others to subscribe to your email, it is important that the data they provide belongs to them, not you. The general regulation of personal information applies in the European Union, and it's important that you know which laws apply in your territory. It might seem that email marketing is the only thing you need to do to promote your business, but many companies are using email for other purposes, too. Surveys are a great way to get feedback from your customers and tell them about upcoming promotions you have in store. A follow-up email can also serve as a form of customer support. After they abandon their cart, give them a chance to provide feedback on the checkout process and see what they liked or didn't like about your website. It's also a good opportunity to improve your connection with customers, and it's an invitation for them to get to know the person behind the business. The best way to avoid annoying your subscribers is by sending just one email per week. A lot of people start off by sending too many emails and lose the trust of their audience. Trust starts with a single message but can be jeopardized if there are too many requests sent in a short period of time. Messages with engaging content are therefore key to ensuring long-term followers. Email marketing can be an incredibly effective way to grow your business and develop relationships with your customers. But, it's important to keep the level of commitment in check so that you don't annoy your subscribers. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our upcoming videos we will dive deeper about email marketing. Stay tuned to the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.